The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Warren County, New Jersey, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Lehigh and Northampton, effective until 8:03 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Warren County, in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County, in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County, in eastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Works, EAS, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Harmony, Belfast, West Easton, and Tatamy. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 59 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 51. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround, Round 1, encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles